What's happening, guys? Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Alright, I'm just making some of these here. The little rubber flap that goes on the inner fender wells over top of the A-arms. So I had a buddy of mine here, I got some of this, it's like conveyor belt. It's a little thicker than the original, but not really too thick. It's actually pretty good size, pretty good thickness. Yeah, even this one here has got, it's probably a little bit thicker. Not sure, maybe not even a 1/16 of an inch. But anyway, so this is going to work. It's a little bit hard to cut. So I got one done here. Got one done. And they're both the same left and right, so and I'm gonna have to again do the staple thing on these. I'll have to do a little video on that too, I guess. So I'm just gonna get this cut out here. So yeah, so I got one done. I'm gonna cut that other one out, and then I'll come back here once I start doing the staples on the inner fender wells. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit. Check it out, guys. Is that beauties or what? That stuff works really good. It's a little more rigid. It might take a while for it to maybe relax a bit too, right? It's especially right here because this is supposed to be in a corner here. But it actually turned out really good. Except on this here, these lines aren't exactly where they were originally, so it's kind of touching right here a little bit. But I think I'm going to add another staple. There wasn't one here, but I think I'm going to add another one here just to, because that lip here kind of thins out as it goes down. But I think I got room here. Yeah, I think I can put one here. Just to give it a little extra rigidity. But otherwise, that looks really good. Pretty happy with that. It was a bit of doing because I needed those real deep channel locks, or the vice grips, to get in here to kind of hold all these. It's pretty long here. But I got it. And the other thing is I tried to use my, I have a pneumatic stapler, like a gun. And it doesn't really go through the metal. I had it going through the some thinner galvanized sheeting, but yeah, definitely wouldn't go through this sheet metal here. So I ended up drilling, you know, like clamping it on and then just drilling through the two holes and then putting the staples in through the holes. So like new holes into the rubber here, not the, there are already existing holes in the wheel well, but I had to drill holes through the inside there to come through the rubber there. Anyway, so it worked out. Took a little bit more time, but what do you do? Maybe somebody has the proper stapler, but I don't, because I don't do enough of that stuff to merit buying one of those. I don't have all those fancy tools like all you rich people. So one side done, other than the extra staple there I got to do. Let's see in here. See? Looks pretty good. Fits nice. So yeah, that's going to work out really good. I've never really had to make those before, because usually 99% of the times you're doing a restoration or a resto mod or something, nobody's putting that stuff back on there. So yeah, this doesn't happen all that often. But anyways, I guess on to the next one. Alright then. Let me know what you think, eh? Like, share, and subscribe, for Pete's sakes.